Aloha guys, Justin here with another episode of Fish and Dive Hawaii, where we give you all the best fishing and diving tips here in the Aloha State. Today I caught some Opelu, and so I'm going to clean it and show you guys how to cook it, alright? I have some Opelu right here, some pretty big buggers, about double shaka size, some of them, got about 5, so I'm going to cook a couple at least. Might save the big ones for later. You know what, let's just cook 2 big ones, how about that? Put these 2 back inside. So the first thing we're going to do, get a little knife. I'm going to use a little steak knife today. I do not have my fillet set. I'm just going to cut in here, right through the gut bag, all the way to the front. Now these fish, the Opelu, which are mackerel, these are pelagic, so their guts are going to be pretty clean because they don't eat the same stuff that reef fish do, like the seaweed and whatnot. So it's going to be a lot better cleaning experience for you guys. So these guts are super clean, not gonna smell as much. Get a nice little spoon over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the head off as well. It's gonna be easier to do everything else. And I'm just gonna go over the scales right now. Just a quick one. So these fish always hang out with sharks usually on the outside, and they're deeper water fish. That's why they're considered pelagics. So we got this one done. Put in my little bucket right there, I mean bowl, not my bucket. Nice little fish head right here. Let's do the same thing with this one. Start off with a little gut bag, work its way all the way down. Again, I go around that fin, go through right here, all the way through, open it up, take all the guts out one time, and then again I'm going to go ahead and rip the head off. So I'm going to give it a little spin move right there, 2 heads out, 1 more fish. Uh-oh. So I do not want actually all this stuff in here, so I'm going to go and try to get some of this stuff out of here. So I got both these fish nice and clean. Go ahead and give it 1 more rinse on both of them. And now I'm just going to put it back in my little bowl I got here. That's it. So now what I've decided to do is just cut them up into little chunks. Alright, I got all that done. Everything on one side. Got all these little pieces now. I'm going to throw some seasoning in there, Hawaiian salt going. Anytime you cook fish, I always try to use Hawaiian salt. Just got to stay true to the nature of what you're eating, I guess. Garlic salt, garlic powder. Bought this for like 98 cents at Walmart. Toss that in there, and then of course gotta have pepper. So super simple. Give it all the flavors, and then I went ahead and cut up some garlic as well. So tonight we're eating some shrimp that I accidentally overcooked while I was recording this video, some potatoes and cheese and some Opelu. How's that for a lineup dinner? Items, right? A la carte, right? Everything a la carte. One thing you gotta watch out for when you're cooking fish is that it pops a lot because there's so much water inside of the meat. So water and oil don't mix too well. So you want to make sure you're not wearing like a really nice shirt, or you're not standing too close, or you got like kids and stuff. As you can see, there's a little high chair right there. That you don't have any kids or anybody near you, because when it pops, saka is sore. Just gonna add a little bit of oil while it gets hot again. Just a little bit, because there's already some oil. I want to keep a lot of that flavor that was in it already from what I just cooked. And then I'm probably just going to toss in half of it at least one time. You hear that sizzling? If you want to hear. You know, I'm just gonna send it. Let's go. Okay, it's cooking now. I got my little spatula with the garlic already diced up and minced. Boom, boom, boom. Get that all in there. We'll check on this in about 5 minutes. Alright guys, looks like my fish is pretty much ready to go. I went ahead and already flipped it on both sides. You can see like this tail right here. Both sides look pretty evenly cooked. Nice white meat in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this. Or not plate it, I'm just gonna put it over here. I'm not gonna put it on our plate because we're gonna feed some of the rest of our food to our son. And shrimp and potatoes, and I don't really want him touching this because we do have a lot of small bones. Take all the salt. What I do love is these garlic, little crispy garlic pieces. Those are the bomb.com. Dinner's ready. Come and eat. Have the shoyu vinegar chili pepper sauce inside. Yeah, major.